Hello everyone! This will be our 9th video on how to integrate for asset management analysts' multi-agent systems with AI to make their job easier.
Hi. Today, I want to talk about how we are going to implement this multi-agent system with AI. What is the implementation plan and what would be the roadmap of the project?
The implementation plan is structured in several phases that ensure that each component of the system is developed, integrated, and tested effectively, ensuring a smooth transition from our traditional model to this automated system. In addition, it is important to consider that each phase may require adjustments based on the data we collect and feedback from the team.
Perfect. I am interested in knowing these phases and how they are interconnected. Where do we start?
We start with the analysis and requirements definition phase. In this stage, we identify the specific needs of the company, gather information from all relevant sources, and define the KPIs we want to monitor. It is essential to involve all stakeholders, from asset management to IT, to align expectations. In addition, it is advisable to establish consultation sessions with the technical teams to validate that the data we want to use is accessible and of high quality.
And after defining the requirements, what is the next step?
The next phase is the design and architecture phase. Here, we draw up an outline of the global solution. We define the agents and sub-agents, select the technologies and tools to be used, and plan how the different systems, such as ERP and SCADA, will be integrated with our multi-agent system with AI. In this phase, you should also define what level of automation you want. I remind you that you can automate everything or hybridize the automation to be supervised or decided by a human. Additionally, it is crucial to design security protocols that ensure that the integration with existing systems does not compromise the stability and confidentiality of the data.
This ensures that the technical structure is well defined and adapted to our needs before development begins.
Exactly. Once we have the design, we move on to the development and integration phase. In this stage, each agent and sub-agent is developed in a modular way. Data entry, financial analysis, contract management, and other functionalities are implemented, and the connections and information flows between the modules are established. During this phase, it is essential to hold control meetings to ensure that the development complies with the functional requirements and that delivery times are respected.
It is essential that these modules communicate smoothly. How do we validate that everything is working correctly?
That would be the validation and testing phase. Here, we perform unit and integration tests to ensure that each module works separately and as a whole. A pilot is conducted in a controlled environment using historical and real-time data to fine-tune algorithms and correct potential bugs before moving to production. In addition, performance tests are also run in this phase to evaluate the system's capacity under high processing demands.
And once the tests are passed, how is the system deployed in our daily operation?
We would enter the deployment and integration with existing systems phase. At this point, we migrate historical data to the new platform and connect the system with your ERP, CMMS, SCADA, and other tools. A gradual deployment is performed to ensure that the transition is smooth and without interruptions in the operation. It is recommended to have a contingency plan that allows to revert the implementation in case of critical failures.
It seems to me a very meticulous approach. What steps do we take to get our equipment adapted to this new system?
This corresponds to the training and change management phase. Here, training sessions are held so that users learn how the system works and how to interact with the agents. Manuals and workshops are developed, and continuous support is provided to facilitate adaptation. In addition, an internal mentoring system could be set up in which more experienced users support those who require more help during the transition.
It is critical that the team is comfortable with the new technology. And after implementation, how do we ensure that the system stays up to date and continues to improve?
For that, we have the maintenance and continuous improvement phase. A support plan and periodic updates are established to ensure that the system adapts to new requirements. Security audits and code reviews are also included to ensure the long-term stability and protection of the system.
I am pleased to see such a structured plan. I am confident that, by following this roadmap, we will be able to successfully implement AI technology and optimize our asset management in our different plants.
Exactly. With a comprehensive and structured approach, we ensure a safe and effective transition.
Perfect. Could you please provide me with the contact of someone to clarify some more technical doubts to implement it in our company?
Of course you can. You can contact our expert Antonio Fresco Navaturrada via LinkedIn. He will guide you through the process and will be able to clarify any other doubts you may have. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to be more informed about how artificial intelligence can help to improve facility management.